Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channel, Investment Advice for Common People. For this weekend, the investment pick is Deepak Fertilizer and Petrochemicals Limited. This stock was already given in my investment pick earlier on my channel, around 400 rupees, and the targets were 800 rupees, which was achieved by the stock. And now, after the correction, the stock is again looking good for investment purpose as valuations have come down. Let's have a look at the fundamentals. First, price of the company today is 614, EPS 96 rupees. Stock is trading 6.4 times to EPS, whereas industry P is 24 times. So potential target as per the industry P is coming around 2000 rupees approximately. Book value 401, price to book 1.53 times. Promoter holding 45.5%, which is under 50, which is little negative. Debt to equity 0.73%, which is also higher side. Face value 10 rupees, dividend yield 1.63%, ROC 5 years 15.5%, ROC previous year 20%. So fundamentally this stock is good. It can be considered for investment purpose. Only two disadvantages are there. One is promoter holding, which is under 50%, and the another one is debt to equity is on little higher side. Apart from that, all the fundamentals are good for investment, and valuations are also down. Just let's have a look at the P chart of the stock in the last 1 year. So this is the P chart of the stock for the last 1 year. Our stock was trading around 18 to 20 times as per the price to earning, and recently after the correction stock is available at just 6 times to EPS. So even if it go to 12 times, it will be 100% return from current price. So as per the valuation also, the stock is looking good for investment. Now let's have a look at the technical chart. This is the all-time monthly chart of the stock. As you can see, the stock gave breakout about 2017 top, and after the breakout around 500 rupees, it rallied till 1000 rupees. So around this was my the investment pick, and my targets are 800 to 1000, which was achieved. Now again, why I brought the stock under investment is like stock is available at good valuation again. If you can see, technically it rallied from 60 rupees to 1000 rupees, and the entire rally retracement has come till 61.8%. So after whenever the stock gives a good rally, and in the retracement if it is available in 50% and 61.1%, it is always good investment where risk reward is favorable. So right now if we consider 615 as our buying price, and we maintain a stop loss of 500, so our stop loss is coming around 20% from current price, and the targets which we can expect are 800 to 1000 again. And once the stock achieves the target of 800 to 1000, once the stock gives a breakout about 1000, it will be again a rounding pattern breakout on the chart. There we can also expect 1500 rupees on the stock. So that is later part, we will not discuss that right now. Right now we can think about 30 to 40% return. Stock price is today around 600 rupees. We have to maintain stop loss of 500, and our targets will be 800 to 1000 rupees, where our 30 to 40% will be made. So fundamentally and technically this stock is looking good for investment purpose. What I have shared with you all is purely my technical and fundamental knowledge. Kindly consult a financial advisor before taking any trade. Kindly like the video, subscribe my channel, and also share with your family members and friends. Thank you.